Hello Year 7s. I thought I'd just give you like a bit of a rundown on what this cat actually is, considering I'm not here today, and just for you to look back on, I guess, over when you're working on this cat, if you're working on it at home and all that sort of stuff. Basically, what you're doing is you are completing the character strength survey, which is available on the lesson plan. I'm also going to make sure that I put it in here somewhere for you guys. Haven't done it yet, but I will do it. Basically, you're going to complete your character strength survey, and then you're going to pick 3 strengths, personal strengths, and link them to basically a superhero. So number 1 here, you're identifying the personal factors. That is literally you completing the character strength survey and then writing a description about how you believe you share each of these traits. So the more detail, the better. I'm going to show you guys a couple of examples as we walk through. So if we walk through the first one, this person that I had last year, these were their 3 strengths. They walk through them and talk about how they have each strength. Here's another one. This one, it's a really good cat. This one did really well, but it's very detailed. These were their three character strengths, how they showed them. Same with this one. First character strength, second character strength, third character strength. And last one we had here, we had origin story, there's the goal, the introduction, the background. First character strength, second character strength, third character strength. So you can see the level of detail in which each of these people are talking in. You need to do the more detail, the better, pretty much. So that's the first thing you need to do. You're then going to describe how these strengths can be turned into a superpower. So, example, if you go here, these are their 3 strengths. How are they turning into superpowers? Same with this one here. Basically, once again, this assessment was really good. This was the best one in the class, as you can see. They made all these graphics themselves as well, this student. Very cool, but anyway, you get the gist now, yeah? So it's here is how it helps me, here it helps, here's how it helps me as a superhero sort of thing, okay? I think this one is also really good. Sorry about the bell. And then you're going to recognize challenges that you face in your life. So you need to find one challenge and describe a time that you faced this challenge in your life. So this one here is a challenge that this person faced in their life, and then apply it to their superhero. You don't have to apply it to your superhero if you don't want to, but basically you're just describing how a superpower, a challenge, or a fear has impacted you individually, and if you want to link it to your superhero, that's okay too. And then next you're going to propose some strategies to overcome these challenges. So basically, I can't remember off the top of my head about this one, but let's say weaknesses, here are the weaknesses. Here is basically how they would overcome those challenges if they face them again, sort of thing. So that's part 1 done. Then I'm going to go into the second part here. It is part 2. So this is literally about the superhero aspect of it. So you got the superhero identity. You need to catch, name, logo, draw a picture, all that sort of stuff. You're then going to do an extension, which is optional. You don't have to do it. Just an origin story and how your superhero came about. And then lastly, you're just going to use some form of presentation. So you can use posters or presentations or PowerPoints. It's basically however you want to do it, but it's up to you. And lastly, make sure you have a look at this rubric here. Everyone in this class should be getting here or here. So try to aim for these. I would recommend aiming for exceeding, but obviously highly developed is pretty good. You do need this, but given the ability of everyone in this class, I think you guys could be doing either of these 2. So make sure you give it your best effort. If you have any questions, let me know on Teams or come see me in my office or anything like that. We're going to be working on it today in class when I'm not here, and then next lesson when I come back is when we're going to be working on it again, and from then on it becomes homework. So if you finish it in today's class, you probably aren't going to have enough detail to pass. So make sure you're giving enough detail and answering all the questions appropriately. If you have any questions, let me know, but all this is available in your OneNote. Make sure you click your name, or it's also in the content library as well. If you need help setting up the OneNote, let me know, or speak to the sub-teacher of the day. Otherwise, be productive today, enjoy yourselves, and I'll see you guys next lesson.